Hey everyone, it's Kimi, and today we're gonna look at this package from Sophie Toffee. So there's the box. It's upside down. Hold on. And this beautiful gold hollow. Oh, I love that. And so let's see what's inside. So this is Snow Globe Frame is the theme. Not gonna look at the book just yet. If I get confused as to what anything is, I will. So let me adjust my camera so we can see a little better. Okay. Oh, looks like we have some shaker film. Got some UV resin, tons of pretty packing peanuts. Ooh, these are pretty. Little keychain clips, jump rings, and I don't know what those are. I'll have to look that in a second. Oh, what's this? This is, some transparent clear pigment dye in the shade black. So that'll be fun to play with. Oh, fairy lights. I'm pretty sure these are fairy lights. Let's see if I can get this open. Let's see. This looks like. Oh, yes, some white fairy lights. Very cute. Those are fun to play with. Let's see. Some of this. There's some of this. Oh no, it's squished. I really hope that doesn't mean that we have oil everywhere. Oh, that'll be fun. Okay, food grade shaker oil. And yeah, it does feel like there's a little bit of oil that leaked out because of the bottle being squished here. Oof. So I'm gonna have to deal with that in a minute, but there's a huge bottle of shaker oil. And let's see. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh. Some confetti glitter things. These look like snow. Some holographic hearts. And then some gold hexagonal glitters there. So that'll be interesting. Let's see. We also have some epoxy resin, part A, part B. So two-part epoxy resin there. Let's see. Move the peanuts. Move the peanuts. Oh, ew. Okay, that is too big for that mold. Let me open this. More plastic. Gonna have to see what they call this, but that's definitely a big mold. It's kind of like it's a snow globe frame, so I can see that being a frame. And then this one. Okay, this one definitely looks like it's a shaker. Got our nice big block here for where we would put all of our stuff. So this looks like it's a shaker mold for the frame. Oh, more plastic. Okay. Oh, this looks like a cell from a movie strip. Just like a single frame from a movie strip. That's what that looks like. Okay, and that looks like it's a smaller shaker mold. Okay, so all that's left in here now is packing peanuts. So I'm going to clean this up just a second. Here's everything laid out. And let's see what the book says here. Oh, we got some contest winners. Okay, so snow globe photo frame molds is what these two big ones are. Epoxy resin, the food grade shaker oil, golden fairy lights, snow globe glitter mix, shaker film. These are all items from the regular box. And then our premium add-ons that we got for getting the premium box is the, okay, snow globe keychain photo frame molds, which is what these little ones are, photo frame molds. We also get the UV resin, the pigment dye, the keychains, blank bales. Oh, those are bales. Okay, I couldn't tell what they were. I'm used to metal bales. And the picture even kind of looks like metal bales, but they're little plastic ones. Okay, that's what those are. And that's all that's in the box. So that's what came in our Sophie and Toffee box. If you want to see how I did these nails, I'll put a link in the description box below. I will have to figure out something fun to do with all of these. I'm not exactly sure how to use these molds, so I'll have to look up and see what kind of videos they have on those. But hopefully I can come up with something cool to show you guys in a later video. So anyways, thanks for checking this new box out with me, and I will see you guys at another time. Bye!